Samsung turns Shiba Inu into a $3 giant. An on-chain analytics company recently discovered that during the previous week, Shiba Inu was the most popular cryptocurrency in new wallets. For the baby boomer generation, banking was a dry topic, but on the internet of programmable money, finance is exciting. Many individuals would probably pick Bitcoin if asked to predict what they believed was the most popular initial currency for new crypto users during the previous week. However, that doesn't seem to be the case. It isn't even the second-ranked cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Ethereum, a peer-to-peer network computer. In this video, we will talk about Samsung turns Shiba Inu into a $3 giant. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu was the most popular non-stablecoin digital asset for newly funded crypto wallets during the previous 7 days, according to on-chain statistics uncovered by Nansen. Nansen clocked more than $56 million worth of SHIB tokens into 12,000 new wallets throughout that time. Other than stablecoins, Nansen claims that the most prevalent cryptocurrency to show up in these balances was the ERC20 token. Similar to the rest of the market, Shiba Inu had a little pullback. Stock prices started to decline in tandem with the retreat after rising sharply in January. Many analysts and observers attributed the shift to the Fed's increased hawkish stance on interest rates and the disappointment of economic statistics. According to volume, wrapped Ether on Uniswap and SHIBASWAP is the most popular trading pair partner. However, Binance has the highest share balance of Shiba Inu. Recent false claims claimed that Binance has delisted Shiba Inu. However, just a few trade pairs involving SHIB were removed from the controlled cryptocurrency exchange. The newly revealed Shibarium, an Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem for developing decentralized applications utilizing SHIB as a native currency, has SHIB supporters excitedly expecting its return. The world's biggest Ethereum whales, Shiba Inu holdings, have increased by hundreds of millions of dollars in less than a week, according to new statistics. The same whales reportedly owned over $168 million worth of SHIB, increasing their holdings of the Dogecoin rival by an astounding 151% in only 4 days, according to earlier reports. Based on whale statistics, the Shiba Inu has become the most valuable digital asset owned by the top 1,000 ETH whales due to its accumulating frenzy. The total amount of SHIBs owned by the investor cohort is now $584 million. Additional digital assets owned by high net worth investors include $55 million in interoperable blockchain quant, QNT, $65 million in Oracle supplier Chainlink, Link, and $58 million in each of the decentralized exchanges Uniswap, Uni, and the inflationary CryptoBit. The price of the meme tokens, which peaked at $0.00002533 on May 2nd and has since dropped to $0.00002254, may have been influenced by the whale activity around Shiba Inu. Since then, SHIB has increased in value and is now trading for $0.00002567 USD. The ecosystem is preparing for the beta release of Shibarium, a planned Layer 2 competitor to Doge, which coincides with the whale buildup of SHIB. Built on Ethereum, the protocol will be a Layer 2 network akin to Optimism, OP, Polygon, Matic, and Arbitrum. Over the last several days, Shiba Inu Coin has profited greatly from the surge in cryptocurrencies. The price increased significantly during the last 7 days, with a value increase of more than 6%. In the next months and years, many investors anticipate significant rises. John Richmond, an English-Italian fashion designer, has collaborated with a number of well-known figures, such as Madonna, the Rolling Stones, and Gwen Stefani. The clothes designer is now concentrating on Web3. The new strategy is based on the ideals that decentralization offers to society. Richmond tweeted that there are many parallels between Web3 innovation and the revolutionary punk music movement. According to the well-known stylist, it symbolizes a strong energy and a desire for change, much like the punk music movement of the UK in the 1980s. Rock and roll has always been about shattering barriers, questioning the existing quo, and giving voice to the voiceless and disadvantaged. John Richmond, artists and members of the Web3 community are motivated by the same enthusiasm. Although John Richmond's past partnerships are deserving of a star-studded cast, he just disclosed a Vogue magazine cover featuring Snoop Dogg. The renowned hip-hop performer introduced a hint of the West Coast to the world of fashion. John Richmond's philosophy of experimenting with diverse styles is nicely matched with the rebellious street style with a tinge of classical attire. The Shib army was ecstatic to see Snoop Dogg in a Vogue magazine story. As a result, several Shib army troops inquired on Twitter with Shintoshi Guzama, the primary developer, about the possibility of Snoop Dogg performing at Ryoshi Plaza or Bark Park in Shib the Metaverse. In the end, Shiba Inu's development team's next Web3 project is called Shib the Metaverse, but Shibarium, the Layer 2 scaling solution, has to debut before Shib the Metaverse can go online. Snoop Dogg looks amazing during the Ryoshi Plaza event. Hashtag Shib, it would be an honor to have you in the metaverse. Is hashtag Shib Army correct? At the Shib token, the MV is at Shib. At Kusama Shitoshi, might we? Might we? Nobody has said anything yet. The official accounts of the Shiba Inu ecosystem and main developer Shitoshi Kusama are dropping clues about the expected debut date of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain, which the Shiba Inu community is eagerly anticipating. Lead developer for Shiba Inu, Shitoshi Kusama, updated his Twitter profile to include teases about the upcoming release of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. The updated bio says that after learning to play the flute rapidly and nurturing to the pine tree of life, the user placed the hashtag Shibarium into a heart-shaped box and tied a bow. The release of papers on core ideas and the Bonyas token by Shibarium's official Twitter account suggests that the launch is getting closer, even if preparations are still ongoing. According to statistics on GitHub, there has also been an upsurge in Shibarium-related development activity. However, as was the case before, unanticipated events might cause the launch to be postponed. In the meanwhile, whale accumulation is drawn to Shiba Inu and Bone tokens. The pace of share burn has escalated, and social sentiment has reached an unprecedented peak. According to a study by blockchain security pioneer Certic, Shiba Inu is the second most safe cryptocurrency project. With demand from whales and investors, the price of the Bone Shiba Swap is now at $1.43, up more than 8% in the previous day. Samsung Wallet, a unified mobile wallet software, will now be accessible in 8 more countries, according to a statement from Samsung Electronics. The software behemoth with headquarters in South Korea said that it may be releasing the wallet app in Singapore, Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, Canada, India, Malaysia, and Taiwan. By the end of January, support for the Samsung Wallet will be available in these nations. The precise date of the introduction, according to the corporation, would depend on user devices and the particular market, it said in a recent press release. Samsung released the Wallet app in 2022. At the time of the most recent announcement, support has grown from 7 to 21 countries from the app's June debut. Samsung Galaxy users in Korea, the United Kingdom, the United States, Bahrain, China, Denmark, Spain, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, Norway, Oman, Qatar, South Africa, Sweden, Switzerland, Vietnam, and the United Arab Emirates may now use the Samsung Wallet app. The app is more than just a payment processor. It also works with the Samsung blockchain wallet and has built-in proprietary security mechanisms called Samsung Knox to improve security. Therefore, users with compatible smartphones may use Samsung's Wallet app to monitor their portfolio of digital assets, even if it is not specifically focused on cryptocurrencies. This is made possible via the wallet's interface, which gives users access to Bitcoin values on many exchanges. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.